Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus IS250 without a key. First, always double-check all doors and the trunk, as one might be unlocked. If you have a Lexus Inform subscription, you can use the app on your smartphone to remotely unlock the vehicle. Otherwise, look closely at the driver's door handle for a small, hidden keyhole cover. Once you've found the hidden keyhole, insert the physical key that's usually tucked inside your key fob. Give the key a firm turn to manually unlock the driver's door. This method bypasses the electronic system. If the key doesn't work or is unavailable, contacting a professional locksmith is your safest next step to avoid damage. In some emergency situations, you might be able to access the trunk by folding down the rear seats from inside the cabin. Once inside the trunk, search for an emergency release lever. It's crucial to avoid using tools like Slim Jims yourself, as they can easily damage the vehicle's wiring or locking mechanisms, leading to costly repairs. To prevent future lockouts, always ensure you have your physical key with you, even if you primarily use the smart key system. Keeping your Lexus Inform subscription active provides a convenient remote unlock option. Also, remember to regularly check and replace your key fob battery to ensure reliable operation and avoid unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.